Canada yen, we do have a trade going on over here on Canada yen, right? Some of you might be waiting for the Deep Gartley pattern at X, right? So it's still quite some time. I would say that this setup will take at least 2 to 3 weeks to form, right? So if we hit down to the lower time frame, if you're looking for a shorting opportunity, right? Some of you might want to combine these together. Make sure you are experienced enough before you pull stunts like this. If not, it will be the market has touched the initial targets that was being taught over here, but you overstretch it, market rebounds, you earn nothing. If you do it right, at least you earn nothing and you're not change your have your profits turns into losses. That would be the worst of the worst, right? So if you're looking for a shorting opportunity, I'll wait for a confirmation happening at 107.10 for a selling opportunity over here. You can see that on our past video on Canada yen, I did say that this is our buy zone before this even happened and it rebounds, right? So if you're thinking to learn from someone, these are the things that you should focus on. Past analysis and how it is being done, you know, and stuff like that. Right. To the 4-hour chart, if you're looking for a shorting opportunity, we do have both the ABCD pattern and the bearish butterfly lining up at 107.28 region, right? So all is needed for me, magic candle confirmation. And what is this red line doing over here, right? That's just me observing the markets moving and markets momentum. You can see when you draw the trend line right, the market will react over here. In this case, it just hover along this line, right? It's just like ants crawling on a twig. Can you imagine that, right? It's so nicely done. You can check the video last week to see if I've drawn this line over here. I couldn't remember because this wasn't drawn in this analysis, right? So that means it could happen during the midweek that I draw this line, or most probably it's done last week because this is a 4-hour chart. Our chart, nothing much for myself. And if you want to learn this cool stuff, right, to spot the right level, to draw it the right way, so that you only need to focus to wait for candlesticks confirmation once the market touches this line. And with the right settings over here, you are able to receive the alert so that there isn't a need for you to stare at the screen. And in returns, you just need to work 15 minutes a day. If this interests you, drop me a pound or